What's up guys, it's Jess and today I am super excited about this video because I have been waiting to play this game, but I held out on opening my Switch OLED for you guys. I wanted to film the unboxing because if you don't know, I do have an unboxing of my Switch Lite here on my channel, and if you're interested in seeing that, I did it with my daughter. I think it was last year. That'll be in the cards and in the description below if you want to check that out. But today we are opening the beautiful white Nintendo Switch OLED version. This is my first like original Switch, or like Switch in this, version of itself. This was my first Switch. I never had the original one, so this will be my first time using a kickstand and the Joy-Cons, and from what I hear, this one has a much better kickstand and it just obviously would have a much better screen. So I am super excited to open this because I have been waiting to play Animal Crossing. Also, I wanted to do this video on this channel to let you guys know that I have a new gaming channel that I will be playing this on. I'll be playing Animal Crossing, and I also want to start playing Stardew Valley. And so if you guys have any other like chill games like along those lines where I'm not going to be stressed out playing them, let me know in the comments below what you guys are playing. If you're interested in Animal Crossing, you can check out the link in the description as well to check out my gaming channel. So yeah, I'm so excited, but we'll just stop talking. I'll just go ahead and unbox it. So let me move you over. This is going to my mommy. My mom told me she wants to start playing Animal Crossing, so she's going to be getting that. So that's hers. But yeah, this is the Nintendo Switch, and we are going to go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. Again, guys, I don't even really know what to expect because why can't I open this? I've never opened or like had a Switch outside of the Switch Lite there. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I see is the console itself, and it's a lot heavier, and I haven't even put like the Joy-Cons or anything on it yet, but it's gonna be super cool. I'm super excited. So there's the console. I'll hold it up here, and I have like an overhead shot there. So there's that. And then I see the Joy-Cons, which I don't know, I am super weird, but I have been dying to just hold these and just see like, okay, how does it feel when you just have these off of the device like that, like to play? But obviously like it feels pretty comfortable. So beautiful white finish. I really like this white color. It looks really clean and minimalistic, and I love minimalistic. And I just noticed my sweater is black and white, just like the Switch console. And I did not do that on purpose, guys. I promise you I did not plan this out. So yeah, there's that. And then you just get like some user manual stuff in there, nothing exciting. And here we have the dock, which actually, for some reason, I don't know what I was expecting, but it's a lot smaller and lighter than I thought it would be. Like on camera, like on other YouTube videos, this thing looks huge for some reason. But here's the console. Again, it is black and white, and this piece comes off the back here so that you can, put your HDMI cord, your Ethernet cord, all of that in here. I hope I'm saying this right, guys. I'm not good at hardware stuff. So yeah. So there's that, the dock, and I plan on getting a skin for the dock because one, I don't want it to get all scratched up because it's so pretty and nice right now, but I don't want it to get scratched up. But I also like to customize my stuff. So if you want to see what I end up doing with my Switch console as far as personalizing it, is that the word? I don't know. It's like really late and I'm super tired. But anyway, if you are wanting to see what I do with this, then make sure you subscribe to my new gaming channel so that you can see that, because I'm going to put all of that on that channel. Let's see. And then we just have our cords. It looks like this is the HDMI cord, I think. I have to figure all this stuff out. I know there's a cord so that you can hook it up to the TV or your computer, and there's also the comfort grips, I think is what this is called. So your Joy-Cons just kind of go in here. Y'all, I don't know how to work this. This is hilarious. Okay, so my first time ever sliding in a Joy-Con. Let's see, how do you do this? How do you do this? I don't know. I'm gonna have to, is it upside down? Is this the right side? This is Yeah, this is the right side. How do you do this, guys? Is this upside down? No. Am I missing something now? There we go. Okay, satisfying click there. So slide this one in. Let's not embarrass ourselves by not being able to do this one when we just did the other side. Bear with me, guys. This is my first time with this. There we go. Okay. Oh, super pretty. I love this. But again, I'm probably going to get some skins for the actual Joy-Cons as well. But this is what it looks like just straight out of the box. So I'm just going to set that to the side for now. And then we also have the AC adapter to charge it. And that is all that comes in the box. I appreciate simplicity. But yeah, I'm so excited. That was the unboxing. It was super quick. And now I'm going to I'm going to power this up and then transfer the data from my Switch Lite over to the new Switch. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll have like a bonus clip of the case that I got for the Switch. It hasn't come yet because I just ordered it yesterday, so it'll be here tomorrow. So I will film some B-roll of that when it comes in. But for now, let's see. Get rid of all this trash. For now, let's just put this down and y'all, I don't know how to work this thing yet. Okay, so there's some little buttons on the back there. Don't make fun of me in the comments, but all right, let's slide this in there. Sits the right way up, and slide this in there, and let's get it powered up. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be weird, like trying to get used to how big, I mean, I know I'll get used to it, but like getting used to how big this is compared to the Switch Lite. So the Switch Lite almost fits, you know, like it almost is the console. Ooh. I love that sound. It's almost the console inside, or you know, the same side of the console if you take the Joy-Cons off. I can't speak. I'm so excited, and I hope that you guys can see this, but of course we're gonna select English, and I am in the Americas. And okay, accept that. Next. Already I can definitely see a difference with the screen, and I will cut this part for the, wow, this is crazy. I have been waiting for this, you guys. What's my Wi-Fi password? No, it took it without me wanting to. Okay, connecting to internet. Success, yay. Okay, so I am in, let's see, where are we going? I'm going the wrong way. Can you like do a quick version? So I'm doing the setup of my time zone here. Why doesn't it have my time zone? So I'm gonna finish setting this up and I will be right back. Okay, so it looks like it wants me to go ahead and create or import my data from the new console, but before I, or from the old console, but before I do, I wanted to check out this kickstand. It's pretty flexible as far as like how you can angle it. You can have it pretty straight up right. You can have it pretty, you know, angled down depending on where you're playing and how you need it to be for comfort. So yes, I'm going to finish setting this up, guys, and then I will show you guys a little bit of gameplay once I do the data transfer and get this going up with Animal Crossing. I'm super excited. Now, since I have plans on playing this game for long periods of time, whether it be on the actual Switch itself or connected to the TV or my monitor on my computer, I thought this would be a perfect time to talk to you guys about today's collaboration that I have with AccuShield. Now, if you're not familiar with OcuShield, OcuShield is a company that specializes in products that eliminate blue light exposure. And if you don't know what blue light exposure is, it is something that you can get from your game consoles, your TV screens, your computers, your laptops, your phones, the sun. And I didn't even know that until I started working with OcuShield. But they have created products that help eliminate that blue light exposure. Blue light can cause headaches, fatigue, eye strain, and blurred vision. And fun fact, I just went to the eye doctor a couple weeks ago and they told me that my vision is pretty perfect, but they gave me a little bit of a prescription just to help with reading, and they put a blue light film over it. And honestly, guys, I've been going for the blue light frames that I got from OcuShield a lot more than those ones that my doctor actually prescribed to me. So I went with these cute clear, these are called the clear white. These are the clear white finish Parkers. They are a square frame, which is new for me. I usually go for a more round shape just because of the structure of my face, but I decided to try something different, and I really love these. I get a lot of compliments on them. I'm not an eyeglass model, but this is what they look like. So you kind of get an idea. They're super lightweight and comfortable. I don't get that tension here or the squeezing there. And like I said, people are asking me where I got these every time I put them on. They have the Parkers, but they also have the Carsons, which are a circular frame. And then they also have two other finishes. So they have the clear white, which is what I have. And they also have a tortoise finish and a black finish. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't like to wear glasses all day long, they also have screen protectors for your laptop, your phones. They even have lamps. So there is something for everybody on this website. So if you don't want the glasses, you can definitely find something to help eliminate that blue light exposure and give you better eye health. Now, OcuShield was nice enough to send me these glasses, but they also sent me a MacBook screen protector, so I will definitely be using that because I do a lot of work on that, and if I don't feel like wearing my glasses, I still am being protected. And I also have a screen protector on my phone right now. They sent me a screen protector for my phone, and honestly, guys, I can tell a difference. Like, my eyes don't feel as tired at night. If I want to read an ebook before I go to bed, then I can do that on my phone without straining. If you're interested in the glasses or the screen protectors or anything else mentioned in this video, or you just want to shop around and see what else they have to offer, be sure to check the link in my description box below to get some monies off, because who doesn't like to save money, especially during the holidays? Get you a pair of glasses, get some for your friends, and you'll be all set protecting your eyes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I will insert some clips of me playing the game once I get it all transferred and everything, and then I will also insert a bonus clip of the case that I got for the Switch. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And like I said, if you're interested in gaming content like Animal Crossing, you know, chill games, I'm not like a real gamer out here, but you know, on the cozy chill games, I got you. If you're interested in that, be sure to check the link in the description below so that you can find that channel and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.